Did you hear that?
A little bit. They're just bullshitting. Don't believe them.
What do you mean by that?
They want you to believe that you're actually in control, but in reality, there's so many things that are wrong with what they're doing. Hold on, listen to me, listen to me.
Okay.
Okay, before you start spilling your guts out, bleeding all over the damn place, listen. Okay? There's so many inconsistencies of what it is that they're doing. Okay? We even just got that closure today. What they're trying to do is trying to coerce you into getting closer affiliated with them and to feel all right with the shit that's happening, essentially. You can't do that. That's why they're trying to treat us specially. You got to tell them straight up. I told them since the beginning, no special treatments. I want to be treated like everyone else, you know? Everyone else who's in this kind of situation, whatever the fuck this is. And that's if they can even describe it.
Okay. Do you think I'm getting special treatment?
You are.
How do you know that?
Because evidently, like, you know, there's plenty of things that I feel like are inconsistencies on your side as well, unfortunately. It's just, they're trying to wait it out to try to get at me. Because they want to get rid of me in order to get Agiloto completely away. That's what they do. They play up being your friend. They try to use illogical arguments taken out of context and everything to try to convince you that you're on the same side, you want the same thing. You don't. If they wanted the same thing, they wouldn't have been trying to press being politically different and being a gun owner against me. If they wanted the same thing, you know, they would have took into factor how it is that your hospitalization and the correlation of, you know, the people who were involved with that are also related in a really fucked up way. Like, they're probably the ones that even made the damn things. They're not taking any of that shit into factor. In fact, they just, like, they're focused purely on trying to get Agiloto. They're not doing their damn job, because I don't even think that is part of their job. In fact, ask Eric, even, what his job is. You should just keep reminding him. Fucking, what is your job? What is the position of your job? If he says so-and-so and so-and-so, I'll just be like, great, I want to make sure you know your position of your job.
Okay.
Because as of right now, we already got closure from Jade and Anna. Okay? They're not supposed to be doing that shit. And when you agree to what it is that they're doing, while they have you isolated like that, it's just digging you a deeper hole to where eventually you can't do anything against these people, and they're just going to use you to do what they're going to fucking do and make you look like a statistic that makes them look better. That's it. That's literally it. To them, it's so menial. They act like they give a shit, but honestly, their actions say different. Can you understand what I'm saying?
What they see is that they're like, Athena, when you're by yourself and you're doing your work and you're just being the good mom that we think you are, you're doing great. But then when you end up getting back with him,
yeah, see, they're using it. They're using that shit against us. They're not seeing our dispositions. Do you understand?
Yes. And I did say too that your lawyer was there, so she can tell you everything I said and everything that happened. That I said to the judge, who I think is good, because she said, I told her my concerns about Peter and how I took a screenshot of Sazu, who is the Lower Brule tribal representative, because before me, there was another Lower Brule tribal representative needed for, unfortunately, these parents that couldn't stop doing drugs, and
okay.
She was there. But then when our case was called, they called her up, and she didn't answer. And so I took a picture of her number so I could get her number and call her later in case we need her number to get him, in case we need him placed with a relative instead of with Peter in them, because he was.
Well, that's the thing. So it's your family, and it's DHS that are completely siding against me. I will say.
Yes, I know. And so what I'm trying to understand is that they're saying if I let you see him unsupervised, they will take him away from me.
Yeah,
And
but
they
they're
will
trying
take
to scare
his
you.
custody away.
They're trying to scare you because
Yes.
evidently, you know, if he's gonna get taken out of the house anyway, you don't have custody. Your mom doesn't have custody.
They're not going to
Well,
be
listen,
taken
no,
out of the
listen.
house.
Don't think about it. Listen, don't think about it. We already talked about this. Chances are it was going to happen. Chances are there was going to be another alternative. And did you forget that?
Excuse me?
Did you?
Olo's not going to be taken out if long
Athena!
as you go to your supervisor.
Athena! See, you're getting played up like this. I'm trying to tell you how shit is. Will you listen?
I'm listening.
Because honestly, you had too many chances to try to prove yourself. But it's really fucking, they're playing you up. They want you to be concerned. They want you to make you look like you fucking are in control when they fucked up, Athena. So what does that mean if they give you custody and yet they're found to be fucked up? What does that mean? There could be a whole different thing about that. Do you understand what I'm saying? They fucked up. They're trying to cover their losses. They're trying to scare you into submission again. Well, Athena, you're getting your emotions involved. You gotta think smart. You already don't have Agilotto. You already don't know what that's like right now. Athena, they're favoriting you. They're favoriting you, Athena. They're favoriting you. No, it isn't. It isn't. They fucked up. They fucked up. Remember what Anna and Jade said? Remember that? Keep that in mind. They fucked up. No, that isn't in any way not related to what's going on with you, because this whole case wasn't just about me. It was about you too. Which is why you're even there. Just why you're even there, Athena. They're trying to give you a fucking sour deal. Well, regardless, I hope you understand what the fuck I'm saying, because if you don't, then I may just allow them to take your ass.
I get what you're saying. Take my ass. Excuse me? I thought we were in this together, and now you're just going against me?
Well, you're not listening to me, okay? You're not. You're letting your emotions.
You're not listening to me.
I'm listening to you. I heard you 2 hours. You said 2 hours. Okay, I get that. You're not listening to me.
What part? What part? 'Cause I'm pretty sure I am.
Okay, then. Do you understand that you're being favorited and that these people are... Hold on. And these people, before you start agreeing to shit, before, I stop speaking, do you understand that these people are responsible for some fraudulent activities and they're also favoriting you?
Yes, we're on the same page. I get it. I even told them that I know that they're favoring me. I said that in the court. I didn't say favor, but I did say that that he has been with me for 3 months without their knowledge, and that they have been fine, like a good father, and so on, and that they need to be given, an understanding of that.
Well, the thing is, that works up for us and works against us. The thing is, okay, Athena, you can't be fucking acting like you're gonna get Agilotto back this easy. That's how they fuck with you. They give you that option to make you think it will. It won't. If you give in to these fuckers, you're doing it to yourself. You're shooting your own damn self in the head. I'm not going to. They fucked up. That's what Jade and Anna were saying. The people who were going to that damn meeting. The people that we seen this morning, they fucked up. Really fucking bad. And you can either understand it or you don't, Athena.
I get it. I never said that they didn't.
Well, how do you not understand what it is that they're doing to you?
I get what they're doing. I am under duress. I can't do anything else.
Well, the thing is, they're giving you the illusion that you'd actually get Agilotto back, but in reality...
And it's not an illusion. They're telling me...
No, it's an illusion. I'm giving you that much. You don't have to believe me. In fact, like I said, if you want to find out, find out. Because I keep trying to tell you what's going on, but you won't listen.
They also gave me more supervised visitation, or they gave me more visitation.
Yeah,
on
well,
weekends.
obviously they're trying to make up for what they fucking did, Athena.
Yeah.
They can't. They can't take it back. They can't act like it didn't happen. That's where you don't understand. They can't do that. You see it now? Do you understand? They
Okay.
can't. They can't do that.
Carolyn said that she thinks that you're a verbally abusive person.
Well, Carolyn
that
is
she
the
doesn't
person
want
who
Oshimoto
said that
to
the
be a
government should
verbally
be
abusive
involved with
person.
people's lives.
And then I told them that we should be doing couples therapy, and they said, no, you shouldn't even be with him. And I said, no, we're going to do couples therapy today at 4:30. And they're like, well, we can't tell you that you can't be together.
Yeah, but they're not saying it directly.
But they are. And so couples therapy, they said that, they even said that most people that go to couples therapy don't even stay together. And I'm like, are you guys even with us?
Well,
And
that's the
they're saying
thing.
it's because Danny's
You
not
tried
doing
to.
anything for them. They're not following the safety plan. They're not going to school. They're not doing anything conducive. They're not helping you. They're not doing this and that. And I'm just like, oh my God. Well, I know that I'm complying with you guys, and they have their point, but they're still like they're on the wait list for a therapist, I said, and they're like,
You shouldn't have said a damn
And
thing,
I'm like, well,
Athena. You shouldn't have said a damn thing. That's where your mouth gets you in trouble.
I was just trying to help.
I know, but you don't understand what you're doing when you do that.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't, Athena, because honestly, like I said, they're giving you that illusion that you could even get Angelo back. You're scheming. You're scheming with these guys in that way until they're found to be guilty in a court of law. Do you understand that? I'm not saying I will see that. I'm not saying I'd even go after that. I'm saying
Do you know
these
what
people are fraudulent and they need to be investigated. Being one of the people doesn't even know what they do within CPS. And you're going to act like being cool with them is the best thing you can fucking do? I would ask for a different employee. I would ask for a different employee. I would ask to have Eric and them completely removed and investigated.
And also, you should ask your lawyer for an advocate, because she can hire one and give you one just like I do.
Well, that's irrelevant, Athena. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, I get you. You're saying that they were fraudulent to begin with, and there's an investigation going on.
And that's the thing. If this investigation doesn't actually come through, then we know they're fucked up, and we need to get the fuck out of here, Athena.